What if the greatest truth of our existence was hidden in plain sight? That no matter the shade of your skin, the texture of your hair, or the language on your tongue, you came from Mother Africa. Science already told the story. The oldest bones ever found, African. The first Homo sapiens, African. The first sparks of language, tools, migration, none other than Africa. She's not just the birthplace of a continent. She's the mother of the world. From the heart of East Africa, our ancestors walked. Across deserts, over mountains, into Asia, Europe, Australia, the Americas. They adapted, evolved, and blended with the sun, the cold, the land. Skin tones changed. Languages branched. But the root, always Africa, always one. But somewhere along the line, we forgot, disconnected. We created lines that nature never drew. We worshipped difference and demonized the mirror. Instead of recognizing family, we chose to build fences. Did something go wrong? What if we unlearned the lie and remembered the origin? What if every child was taught that Africa is in their blood, not as shame, but as sacredness and pride? What if the world called her not poor or third, but mother? What if we all realized we came from Africa, not just in body, but in spirit? Maybe then, we'd finally treat each other like kin, because we are. We are unshakable roots, and we don't flinch from the truth. Subscribe, and make sure you explore more of our content.